welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making retro classic called Salamandr. It's very simple and so good. You will see. Let's jump right in. Alright, we are starting with the veggies. Grab your peppers and give them a good rinse. Take out the seeds, trim the white parts and cut them into small chunks. Nothing tiny, just small enough so they fit through the grinder later. Do the same with the tomatoes. If they are super juicy, let the extra juice drip off a bit so the final mixture isn't too runny. But don't stress it, this recipe is very forgiving. Now for the garlic, we are big fans, so I'm using about 7 cloves. If you want a mild kick, you can absolutely use less. But honestly, the garlic is what makes the whole kitchen smell amazing, so I never hold back. And finally, grab a small onion and chop it into pieces that the grinder can handle. Doesn't need to be pretty. The whole idea here is just to prep everything so the grinding step goes smoothly and you are not fighting giant chunks. Start feeding everything into the grinder. Onion, peppers, tomatoes and garlic. Switching between them keeps the grinder moving and nothing gets stuck. Run everything through the small plate, including the hot dogs or soft salami. That gives the mixture its soft, spreadable texture. Keep alternating until it's all ground and you have got a colorful bowl of goodness. Little messy is perfectly normal. Time to bring the mixture to life. Start with a little salt and some ground black pepper. Just a light touch to begin with. Then add a bit of ketchup to help everything blend and give it the gentle sweetness. Give the bowl a really good mix. Scoop from the bottom, fold it over and make sure nothing stays hiding on the sides. Take your time here. The more evenly it's mixed, the better the final spread tastes. Now take a small taste and see how it feels. If it needs a bit more salt, pepper or ketchup, add a little and mix again. It's one of those mixtures that's super easy to adjust to your liking. When it's smooth, spreadable and tastes just right, the mixture is ready. Now grab your cheese and grate it on the big holes. Use as much as you think you will need for the number of buns you are making. I always grate a little extra because it disappears fast. Once you have got a nice powder ready, we can start building the buns. Take your hamburger buns and slice them in half horizontally. Try to keep the cut even, or at least close enough so one side isn't tiny. Line all the halves up so they are ready for topping. Now, take the mixture and add a good spoonful onto each bun half. About 2 tablespoons work great. Spread it out so it reaches the edges, but keep a little more in the center so it stays nice and juicy after baking. Grab your grated cheese and sprinkle it over each bun. If it doesn't want to stay on top, just press it down gently so it sticks to the mixture. The more even the layer, the nicer it melts in the oven. Grab the baking sheets and light it with parchment paper or a baking mat, and then place all the bun halves on top. Set your oven to 400 degrees on Fahrenheit so it's fully heated by the time you bake. Now place the tray into the oven and let the buns bake for about 5 to 10 minutes. You just want the cheese to melt and get nicely bubbly on top. Keep an eye on them. Every oven heats a little differently and we don't want the bottoms to get too dark. When the cheese is melted and everything looks warm and glossy, we are done. Take them out of the oven and let them cool for just a minute. They smell amazing and it's really hard to wait, I know. And that's our retro salamandr. Super simple and so good. Serve it as is or add some fresh veggies. Little spring onion on top always looks great. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, follow, all that good stuff. See you next time on Simply Food Recipes.